All right, well, for those of you who know me, you know that this is not normal. So what am I doing? What does this have to do with branding and design? Well, I'm gonna get into that, but first, let's roll that intro. This is about the combination of creativity and business. This isn't an aesthetic decision, this is a business decision. Welcome back to the video, everybody, and as you can tell, I am not in my studio. This is my house. I am actually gutting and remodeling this entire place. So I'm renovating this house and I'm painting and I'm putting on new doors and cabinets and countertops, all this stuff, and I start to think to myself, why am I even doing all of this? So I'm contemplating this question and I'm thinking, this is a lot of time, this is a lot of money. Wait a minute. I know why I'm doing this, and there's some parallels here between my remodel and branding. So why do people remodel their houses? Because it's expensive and it's a lot of work. Well, the more I thought about it, I realized people remodel for two reasons. First of all, they want to have something that they're proud of, that they're proud to display to their friends and family. And second of all, people see it as an investment because when they make the property look nicer, they know that they can sell it for more money. And right then is when it hit me. I was like, wait a minute. I know something that also is a big investment, that takes a lot of time, energy, and work, but you do it because it increases the value of what you're providing, and that's branding. See, that's where branding and a home remodel, they're actually really similar. All you're doing when you're remodeling your house is branding your house. You're trying to create an investment to create a functional, stylish, aesthetic layout, something that looks nice, and because of that, you're proud of it, and you know that the people that are invited into your environment, they will be able to feel your personality, they'll be able to see the creative excellence of your work. And lastly, because you remodeled that house and it looks nice, it has a higher perceived value. Therefore, when you go to sell it, you can actually sell it for more money than when you bought it. That's what house flippers do, right? They buy a house and they fix it up and they make it look beautiful, and then they sell it for more money than it costs them to fix it up. Well, that's what a brand does for your product or service. When you have a high quality brand, when you spend time making sure the artwork is stylish and it looks good, making sure that the copy is written in a way that's functional, you're gonna find that you have a higher perceived value of that product or service because it looks nice, it's been remodeled, it's the same product, the same bones, but it looks like it's worth more money. Therefore, customers are willing to pay more money for that product or service. That's why I just had to stop and make this video, because while I was remodeling and I was regretting all of my choices and wondering why I ever took on this project to begin with, I realized, oh my gosh, this is just branding. I'm just better branding this house so that when I go to sell it, it's worth a lot more money. That's why I stopped to make this video, because I realized so many people understand what it's like to remodel a house. They understand why you remodel a house because it's something we can all relate to. But sometimes it's a lot harder to wrap our minds around why we should brand. What's the value in creating a brand? Well, I hope this video gave you a good example, a good parallel, so that next time somebody asks you about branding, they say, what is that and why should I do it? This is an example that you can point to that people can easily relate and understand. That's all I've got for today, and hopefully I'll see you all again soon in a new and renovated YouTube studio. But until then, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you all in the next video.